Just have to run the video all the time, and then you'll catch the fun stuff.
Yeah, you don't.
Because as soon as I stop the video, they'll do something absolutely adorable.
That?
It's like Bambi on ice.
Yeah. Did you get that on tape?
I got that on video.
Good.
Oh,
She
what
was
a good
just
mom.
smelling her mom's afterbirth.
She's like, that's kind of, well, I'm sure it's very familiar smelling to her because she's been living in it for the last few months. Oh my God.
So cute.
That was adorable.